Come join us this weekend in Tianwei for the New Plant Vibes Life event. There will be lots of cool things to see and do. You can check out amazing plant displays, including funny-looking potted plants. It's a great place to take fun photos with your family. On November 16th, there's also a special market. You'll find yummy snacks, fun toys, and handmade crafts to buy. Plus, there's a free gardening class where you can learn how to take care of your own plants at home. The shops nearby are having big sales, and you might even get a free plant as a gift. There's also a special tour to show you secret spots around Tianwei that you've never seen before. It's going to be a super fun day with cool plants, tasty food, and new places to explore. Bring your family and friends, and let's have a great time together in Tianwei.